Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we're going to unbox the new Samsung Q90 today and just take a look and see what comes with this TV straight from Samsung. So first things first, you want to get the TV to a spot kind of where you're going to set it up, because once you take these plastic straps off, the box top is not going to stay on very effectively. So make sure you keep that in mind. But we've got our scissors here and just cut right through those. And then from there, there's some tape along the back that you'll want to cut through as well. And right away on the top, there is some stuff. There's a bag of accessories here. We'll open and show you briefly. Now this is a little different than some of the others we've unboxed, because this one comes with a One Connect box, as we can see here by the invisible cable. You can see it though, it's not technically invisible. Then we've got our quick setup guide, our One Connect box that I just mentioned, One Connect, and a piece of the pedestal, I am assuming, just based on the shape of it. There are some screws in that packaging as well. And that is it for the top of the box. So from here, we're gonna take off the styrofoam piece up here, just to kind of get it out of the way. And with this being a 65-inch TV, you are gonna want some help taking the box off of the TV. So I've got Tom here, who's gonna come on and help me lift off the box. Thank you, Tom. And that looks to be, oh, let's see here. There's one more part that we can get to. Maybe not. Yeah, holy moly. Okay, so that is the rest of the pedestal. That is not light. This thing is probably, I'm guessing about 20 pounds. This is a heavy pedestal, very solid. We're gonna put this down and then finish unboxing this TV so you guys can actually see it set up. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, we've got our TV where we want it. We've got the two protective foam pieces off of the front, and there's also kind of a piece of plastic static cling type of material that you're gonna have to pull off of there as well. But otherwise, that's it for the setup. We've got our One Connect box hooked up as well. If there's anything you guys wanna see specifically about this TV, make sure you leave it in the comments and we'll try and address all of that in our overview video. And make sure you stay tuned for that one, because that's gonna be coming up soon. As always, we appreciate you checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe so you get those updates whenever we post that new content.